Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. What I have today is a Casablanca Delta 2 with the Slumber 3. It starts out kind of slowly, but you just watch. It'll pick up after a second or two. Starts off on the slowest setting, obviously. And like most of my fans, this one is for sale and/or trade. There's a few fans I'm looking for right now, mostly industrials, Dayton Lasco's Gold Lines, Crompton Greaves Encon High Breeze 3-bladers. The only residential fan I'm really looking for right now is, a New Tone Veranda Deluxe. Can't have too many of those. So, medium setting. Now it's starting to move some serious air. And the high. Now that's what the power is on the third setting. It's moving a ton of air right now. And for the spin down, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for checking out my video. Please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube page called The Fancave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Good night and good luck.